MeghalayaPost.news.
Hadirin ke jing terwaya ka kerteng Dr. Baskem Marbo kum kerteng ke election shiteng samoy jong ka shillong lok sabha sin ban mi bujli ha ka jaka jong Dr. Ruki Eji Sengkon ubalaklat kendir nagani ka sla prothei na mar jing shitom kensan u Dr. Baskem ubadeiru nong ai ktien ka parti VPP ula penpa ba kum nong tre beshirham jong ka parti updang ye kani ka rai ba ka parti kala shim wala ka de jingkit ka bakya ha ba kran skilat pathai kubor Dr. Baskem ula penpa ko jing songu ye ka parti ka blashane ha uban shim ye kani ka lingkor ka bakya hadin jingklat no Dr. Ruki Eji Sengkon batkularu banra keburom jong ke parti kumba ka VPP kala thaur ko nadu snam arajar arpulai bat ka jingjob dan burom jong Dr. Ruki Eji Sengkon kararu ya keburom jong ke parti habakran shapang ke election sitting samoy laudon jingkermen ne menjom Dr. Batskam ulong bonum kensting ya ke election na markanu kunu ke election kadai ke election bat kadon la ka jong ka jinglong ban ngi ha ban shimkhya bhai ka rengkat ka jingkerpat ya ki patba bakim dei ban jied da ka jingsngew henre ban pethu ya ka lawai jong ka jela.
First of all, I would like to express my gratitude to the party for expressing the confidence in my capability to contest the by-election, which is necessitated by the sudden demise of our beloved former MP, Dr. Jingsngew. As a loyal and foot soldier of the party, I'm very grateful to the party, and my assurance to the party is that I will do my level best to ensure that and to see that the party's ideology, the party's discipline, the party's principle, and the party's vision for the state would be upheld. We are very confident about that the people are with us, because from 2022 we have been serving the people in the best way we can. Then after the MP election also, our beloved former MP, Dr. Ruki Eji Sengkon, he did his level best, and rather he set a high benchmark for any party to who comes after. And even our MDCs also, they are very committed to the cause of the people. And judging from what we have been doing with the issues and the services to the people, I am confident that the people are with us, and we will be able to get a big victory. But having said that, we don't take any election lightly. Any election is an election, and it has its own dynamics, and we have to take it seriously. You see, this is what I believe. Yes, I would say that even I myself, when I go to vote, I will remember Dr. Sengkon. I will definitely remember him. It would be rather an emotional day for me to to go and vote on any election, on the election day, which is necessary to fill the gap created by the demise of our MP. So I believe that the people will not vote simply because they are emotional. The people, they vote because no doubt that they love Dr. Our beloved Dr. Ruki Eji Sengkon, definitely. And besides that, I would say that the people, they have also the love and affection for the party, and also for the future of the state, because the vision of the party is for the future of the state, for the welfare of the people. So all these factors will contribute towards I would say the success of the party in the future. We are 100% confident, but we are not overconfident.
MeghalayaPost.news.